Hey folks, hey the Apollo, this is Fast Friday. Thanks for joining in. Sorry I missed you a couple weeks. I wanted to catch up. It's bright and early here. I'm probably not going to post this video till a little bit later, but it made me think, it's kind of a running joke. I get up early. With that, I actually go to sleep pretty early too, so that I can get up early because I'm not a total machine. And I love getting up early. I love getting up in that 4 o'clock hour because I get so much more done in that time before everybody else wakes up. And, it just gives me time to just power through work and not, have to worry about, calls and emails and whatever else is going on in life. And, the joke was, you're probably not going to hear from me if it's after like 10 o'clock because I'm already sleeping. And my reason was like, well, look, I get up early and it works for me. And, I'm up earlier than my competition. And my one buddy was like, well, what if they just stay up later? And he's right. Some people are night people. So, if someone's staying up till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, as opposed to getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning and getting the same amount of work done or more, they're doing it. And he's right. And listen, there might be some people that get up early and stay up late. So, it made me think, though, and this is what you got to understand. No matter what you're doing, whether it's work, you're a business owner, an athlete, anything at all, trying to achieve great things in life, just remember, someone out there is working harder than you. And you might think you're working hard, you might think you're putting in that extra time, and you might be. And you might be doing that more than 99% of the people out there, but there's a 1% out there that's working harder than you. I promise you that. If you're an athlete and you stay after practice and you put in that extra work and you run 10 laps after practice, there's someone out there that's running 20. If you're a basketball player and you're getting extra shots in, you stay after practice for an hour and get extra shots. There's someone that's staying too. Goes for business too. Or work. You think you're putting in extra time. You say, oh, whatever. I'm gonna do 12-hour days. There's someone doing 16. And so on and so on and so on. You could think about this. It's just the way life is. There's always someone out there that's hungrier or putting in extra work. Everyone has different situations, but you gotta understand that if you want to excel and you want to do great things in life, you gotta put in the extra work. You gotta put in hard work. It just doesn't just come. And I think about this all the time. To me, hard work, putting in extra work is the great equalizer in life, because there's people out there that have it better. There's people out there that have more opportunity, more time, more funds, whatever it is. There's people out there who have more, are going to have a leg up on you. But if you work hard and you work harder than that person, it narrows that gap of what you can do in life. You might not have the same opportunities, but you can create the same success because you're putting in that extra work. And we hear a lot of people make excuses, and I can't do this because such and such and such, and those excuses are valid in some cases, and sometimes you don't have all those opportunities other people do. But if someone out there in your situation did it with less, or achieved more with less, or did great things with less, then you really don't have an excuse, in my opinion, because they already proved it could be done. Now, everyone's different motivations, different things going on in their life, family life, whatever it is, obligations. But if someone did it with the same situation or worse and with less, you have no excuse. And because work, you gotta work. Hard work, great equalizer in life. It really is. Put in that extra work and you can succeed in life. I promise you that. No matter what it is, work, business, sports, anything you want to achieve in life, you can do it. Just gotta work. And someone out there is working hard on you. I promise you that. But that's it, guys. Good morning. Fast Friday. I will see you guys next week. Thank you.